Welcome to BCSD News. Here's a look at what's happening in the Bakersfield City School District.
It's really hard, and I've been fighting it for 4 years, and I've just been really strong.
We begin this edition of BCSD News with a special student spotlight. 8-year-old Delilah Loya, a student at Roosevelt Elementary, has been battling cancer since 2019.
And everybody, they try really hard to send me prayers every day.
Named after the Plain White T's chart-topping song, Hey There Delilah, the song has been a source of strength for the family.
That's her favorite song. Like, we've sang it all throughout treatment. The first 2 years of treatment, we couldn't even listen to it without crying because the words that it says is just like, hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? And then like, I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty. And like, a lot of times we're not together. I'm usually at the hospital by myself with Delilah, and like dad's away from her. So like those words really resonate with us. And also like it says like 2 more years and you'll be done with school and we'll be making history. And I just feel like that's like the cancer, you know, we'll be done with cancer soon and we're gonna make history, Delilah. Like, we're gonna do this, you know? Sorry.
Which is where social media influencer Isaiah Garza, known for his random acts of kindness, comes in.
Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do.
Garza connected with Plain White T's singer Tom Higginson, and well, you know the rest.
I swear it's true. Oh, it's what you do to me.
It was just so cool. I just couldn't believe it. My face was like, I couldn't stop making it for a long time.
The video has been viewed more than 2.7 million times.
This makes me so happy, and I just sometimes at school, some kids ask me, hi Delilah, and I don't even know them, and then I think, how do they know my name? And then I think, oh, maybe it's because they see my videos on the news.
Delilah, your school, district, and the entire community are cheering you on. As we know, and as those who love you most know,
she's gonna beat this.
And it's called a circle map because it's in the shape of a circle. And what are we talking about? Spring.
Our BCSD Teacher of the Year nominee list is out. Each week, we will celebrate and spotlight one of our Teacher of the Year nominees here on BCSD News. This week, we introduce you to Brenda Valencia Lopez, a first grade teacher at Jefferson Elementary.
They're my motivation. They're the reason why I'm here every morning.
She says it was 2 of her high school teachers that led her to a path of education.
They inspired me, they guided me, and they motivated me to become a lifelong learner. And my hope is to do the same for my students. I want them to grow up and think of me as a mentor, someone that influenced their life in a positive way.
Which is why she sets out every day with kindness and determination to make a difference in the lives of her students.
I hope they remember how special they are to me, that I always have high expectations for them, and that I will always be here for them. That they're the reason that I'm a teacher, and that I wish for them to one day themselves be teachers.
Congratulations on your BCSD Teacher of the Year nomination, Brenda. Each of our Teacher of the Year nominees will now move forward for Kern County Teacher of the Year consideration.
Get ready, set, go!
On your marks for the annual Coach's Choice Track Meet, hosted by McKinley, started nearly 40 years ago by James Coach Wooster. The BCSD tradition celebrates special education students who receive adaptive physical education services, while providing the opportunity to participate in track and field events.
Today is the 39th annual Coach's Choice Track Meet, a track meet I started 39 years ago to include the physically handicapped kids in an actual event. And by doing that, I was able to bring the high schools, football players, cheerleaders, volleyball players, to come in and actually help each kid perform an activity.
Students from McKinley and from the Kern County Superintendent of Schools Blair Center participated in the fun-filled day. Thank you, Coach, and to all of our staff members and community partners who helped make this celebration for our students a success.
I'd like to welcome you to the 35th Kern County Regional Science Fair Intermediate Division Awards.
A half dozen BCSD scientists are celebrating big wins at this year's Kern County Science Fair. The 35th annual event allowed students to show off their innovative projects and compete for top marks. Owen's fourth grader, Ethan Robles Vidrio, took home first place in Chemistry 2. And fellow Bobcat Joshua Gordon did the same in Physics 2. Also taking home top marks, Sebastian Sanchez, Ellie Huynh, Janelli Malicio, and Luis Haro. Their projects excelled in aerodynamics, earth science, alternative energy, and physics and astronomy. Congratulations, students, on your scientific achievements. Horace Mann students were treated to some high-flying thrills this week. Students with third quarter perfect attendance were able to attend a BMX Stunt Masters show. The audience cheered as BMX riders did tricks, flips, and high-flying stunts off a ramp.
They are very excited. Students have been working very hard. There's actually some students that we had with attendance concerns early on that have made the point to be here every day, told mom, I can't go to the dentist till after school because they really want to go to the show.
The show also included positive messages of inspiration, including tips for doing your best, healthy living, bicycle safety, and, of course, staying in school. We end this edition of BCSD News acknowledging those who have gone above and beyond this school year. Congratulations to our March Excellence in Education Award recipients. Well done.